guys. We're going to City of Dreams. We're already here. Park na kami. It's Tito Glenn's birthday. And anniversary.
Yeah, Sisters Family, hello. We're in City of Dreams.
Yeah. What are we celebrating for?
Glenn's
Why are we
birthday
here?
and an anniversary.
Oh, nice.
Who leaves their car open? Bro.
Nah, there's people
It's over
inside.
there.
Oh my gosh, why are you there? OMG, Dylan, why are you there?
Yeah, I went there before.
That's you, that's me. That's Ate Rian. Hi guys, we're at the largest hotel in the world, City of Dreams. We are here at the Dead Star. Joke lang. Guys, feel ko may mapyabos dito. Tapos maya may marinig tayong gunshot.
Dapat pogi yan.
Tapos
Dapat
tapos isisave ako nung kasi ako yung pinilap nung mafia boss. Tapos yung mafia boss si Jungkook.
Ay, ayoko na.
Diba na? The pool deck. No. Okay, nasa deck na tayo. After ng deck ng pool. Pool deck. No boat. It's so cold, girl.
Yeah, look at that.
Nobu restaurant.
A noble spa.
Whoa. Swimming na.
Swimming. Is the restaurant? What? What a nice place.
Hindi naman bawal dito. Basta
Dito yung shopping natin.
pwede naman siya
Can we go? Can we go?
Let's go. Picture
Ito
page.
talaga.
Mukhang
The H with the
G. Yacht wave. Nice. No.
Yak wave. Yak wave.
Girl, don't bring your skibidi. You are here. Look. Like, may I see what you pulled? May I see what you pulled? May I see what you pulled?
Now going to see Ate Claire. We're now going to see Ate Claire. Oh, wait. Ate Macy's busy, so I'm gonna
Doing my RL.
have to vlog. We're now on our way to see Ate Claire, so y'all wait.
A few moments later.
Okay. Dito kasi busy Awan. Wow! May sabaw sa loob? Sabaw. Ito may chili. Mami, what do you call this?
Automatic. Ano?
Yeah, automatic.
Chili tita dyan na corner. Ito chili tita dumpling. Ganun tawag dito sa dumpling.
Oh, yung mga sili king dyan, oh. Mga sili king.
Ang tawag daw doon ay pork rib black. Jowzy dumpling pala yan.
Ha?
Jowzy dumpling. Jowzy dumpling. Jowzy dumpling. Jowzy dumpling. Jowzy
Jowzy Dopsy.
dumpling.
Jowzy Dumply.
Dumplings.
Jumplings. Dowsy
Dum.
Dumplings.
Oo.
Jowzy
Ano ba yan?
Dumpling.
Gusto na kumain guys. Kasi yan pinatensya namin.
family. No. Key? Cupcake?
Yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, pauwi na tayo. Tita, saan na tayo patungo?
Ha?
Saan na tayo patungo?
Uwi na.
Yes, uwi na kami.
Ano yung vlog?
Opo, nag-vlog po ako.
Talaga. Go, go, go!
Yes, go, go, go.
Eh.
Nandito kami sa world's largest hotel in the universe.
World's largest pa.
Joke lang, tita. Nandito kami sa 10-star hotel. Hotel
Sana
mall.
pag pinakita mo yung ganun,
Ay,
synchronize
okay.
na.
Pakita ko yung synchronize. Di ba ang galing, guys?
Yung
Ganyan ang nagagawa ng 10-star hotel.
Hi! Load kayo ng vlog din pag nag-vlog din ako. Charot. Binlog mo ba yung pagkasina natin?
Pag,
In-upload mo na?
Di ba po? Busy po sa school eh.
Pag na-upload mo, sabihin mo sa akin.
Oh! What's up, vlogs? Welcome to my guys. We are real going back to home.
Yes! What did you eat?
We eat Chinese restaurant. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Wait,
Oh, look, it's
Wala ka
replay.
daw ito sa
Yo, is that Alex? Oh, si Toothless. Si Toothless.
Hindi ako tinawag.
Si Toothless.
Siro na ako eh.
Hey, it's Dila.
Cheska yung nalo.
Birthday boy. Jessica, geng geng.
Let's picture dito. Lahat tayo.
Picture daw, guys. Ganda, no? Big ass Shrek.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Go!